Hi, I'm Travis Walker with the Law Office of Travis R. Walker. Here at the office, we handle disputes with insurance companies often. And one of the best ways I think to analogize a conflict between or a dispute between you and the insurance company is a lot like chess. Chess is obviously a centuries old game of strategy and risk and really just uses the most cerebral parts of our brain to get after it. A few different things that are both similar in both ways is strategy, of course. I mean, strategy, you're constantly strategizing against the insurance company, trying to understand what the best way to do it is. Trying to understand what their plan is, what is their method of attack, and trying to find out what their next step is, and then being several moves ahead of that, which is why I think chess is so similar. Risk management, in chess, you're constantly trying to make sure that your pieces aren't being taken. And it's the same way, with regards to an insurance company. You want to make sure that you're defending your position regularly. You're not exposing certain facts to the insurance company that would be detrimental to your case. If an insurance company gets you on recording saying something that's detrimental to your case, it's going to be later used against you, and that's going to be a piece of information or a piece of your leverage that's taken away from you, just like it's a chess piece that's being taken away from you. So that's another way that it works. Decision making, you're constantly making decisions on the chessboard, and then you're also working and trying to make decisions with regards to the insurance company. Coverage, deductibles, all these different types of things. All of those things come into play when you're working with and negotiating with insurance companies. So you want to be totally on top of that. Anticipation. Chess players have to be playing several steps ahead. Same thing with regards to insurance companies. You're going to anticipate what are the weak parts of the claim, what are the strong parts of the claim, what are they going to attack. So if you're a few steps ahead of them, you can head that off at the pass and make sure that that's being addressed ahead of time, so that you're addressing the weaknesses as well. Negotiating in chess is negotiating the board with regards to finding the best way, the best positions inside the board, and that's the same thing with insurance companies. You're constantly negotiating with them, discussing with them the best way to get things done. Patience is a huge part of chess. I mean, you can't just start throwing your pawns and everything across the board, without really thinking it through. So you have to be patient. You don't spring your traps in chess. And sometimes when you're working with insurance companies, you need to be patient as well, because you don't want to reveal all your cards. You don't want to show them what your next moves are. So it's constantly a game of patience. Adaptability. Chess players are constantly trying to adapt their strategies to their opponent's moves. You need to be able to adapt to whatever the insurance company is doing. They're in the business of collecting premiums, not paying out claims. So you want to make sure that you're constantly working in a way where you're adapting to whatever their strategy is and whatever the facts as they're perceiving them to be. And finally, timing. It's all about timing in life, but it's particularly in chess. You want to be making those chess moves in the right time. You want to be moving in against the insurance company at the right time and doing everything that you possibly can to make sure that you're maximizing your return. So please give us a call with regards to if you have an issue with insurance companies. Love to help you out here at the Law Offices of Travis R. Walker. Please give us a call, 772-708-0952.